Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to export a database from Supabase. First, open your browser and go to the Supabase website. Sign in using your account credentials. Next, click on the project that contains the database you want to export. This will open the project details and give you access to all its features, including the database. After that, locate the Table Editor section. This is where you can view all the tables in your database. In the Table Editor, find the table that you want to export. When you have found the correct table, look for the three dots menu on the right side of the table name. Click on this menu to reveal additional options. From the options, select Export Data. A new dialog or menu will appear allowing you to choose the format for the export. You can select Export as CSV or any other available format that suits your needs. After selecting the format, follow the prompts to complete the export process. The file will be downloaded to your computer, and you can then open it with any software that supports that file type, such as a spreadsheet program. Thanks for watching.